Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer eLearning. So today we will going to start a new tutorial which is complete MySQL and SQL course. So we will learn MySQL and SQL from beginning to advanced. So here in today's video we will learn how to install MySQL server on Windows 11 and 10. So let's start. We need to try MySQL. Then official website will be there of MySQL. We need to click here. Then we need to go to downloads. Then we will go to MySQL community. Here we can see here uh, MySQL installer for Windows. So we need to click here. Then we can see here window. This is for Windows. So MySQL for Windows. So we can see here like Windows for 32 and 86 bit. It will work for 64 and 86 as well. Once click here, then we can see here we need to log in or sign up. We don't need to log in and sign up. We just need to click on no thanks, just start. So this will start. So I already started, so I'm canceling it. Then I'm go to my download folder. We can see here. Then we need to just double click here. MySQL installation has been started. So it will take some time. So we need to wait. We need to click yes. Then here we can see there is so many options like developer default, server only, client only, full, custom. So we can choose anything. So we can choose custom. Then we can select some as per requirement what we want to install. So I'm going with this default, developer default. We need to click next. So we can see here yes. Then we need to click on execute. So installation has been started or it is in progress. So we can see here the progress. So it will take some time. So we need to wait. So we need to click on next. Then next. Default port will be same like 3360. We need to click on next. Then we need to put root password. So by default a root user will be created to manage our DB. So we need to put root password. So I'm putting or setting root password. We can add another user as well except root. So we can put root username like I'm putting this Jitain. Then we need to put localhost because we are not using server here. Then what type of privileges we need to provide to that user. So we can uh, provide role as well. Then we need to put password for this user. What password we need to put. Then we need to click on OK. So I'm not creating at this moment. So I'm just canceling it. We will work on root user. So I need to click on next. Then next. Then next. And execute. then finish, then next, finish, next. Here we need to put password again, root password again. We need to click on check, so connection has been succeeded. Then finish, then click on next, then finish. MySQL installation has been completed, so there is MySQL shell. So here this is the command line interface, so here we can use our command to create db and all. And here there is another interface which is graphical user interface. So from here, we can add db and all using graphical user interface. Another thing, we can use MySQL using command prompt as well. So how we can use, first we need to do a few configurations. So we need to go to C drive. In program file we will see MySQL, then we need to go to MySQL server 8, then we need to go to bin, then we need to copy this path, then we need to go to environment variable, variable, system variable, we need to double click on path, we can see here, then we need to click on new, we need to put here path which we have copied, we need to click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. Yeah, then we can go to command prompt, then we need to type MySQL hyphen version. So we can see here this is the MySQL version. So I think वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो will coming very soon, so keep watching.